Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Kakenhon Shipai India hakas ngisa jan ka arpunyo tarik unailar hajar arfu kalalum lang ya ki Samla ki ba Angnud ban yo Rungkam hakatanat Shipai jogari India hakajing lang ka balalong Hawaii do Community Hall Shillong. Ya gane ka jing penrungkam Shipai lengba ka Agniveer scheme balapan benada ka Ministry of Defence jogo Sarkar India lapan long do ba Michael Kharsyntiew ubalong unong tray mons ngupha harengkat ka jinge tray lang bat udkhot barang ba jogo BJP uba Raldan Shabong hagabala sakhi lang dagi officer Shipai ki bakantop yo Colonel Vikas Singh bat ka kunhon jong u lembat ki nongkit kam jogo shnong waing do hapo ka jinge lam jong rangba shnong uba Ronjit Marbanyang. Bongot ki Samla na ki dong baper ki lay shimmenta hakajing salok bat Colonel Vikas Singh ubala pentip syapang ki lat ki lenti kumno ban yo Rungkam hagatanat Shipai jogari India.
I'm here standing as a youth worker, as a social activist, and I'm here to tell you one thing, that we should stand by our nation in whatever capacity, to give our right hand and our left hand to support the nation in all the things that we do. I am very thankful today that such a program is being organized in our area. I'm also a resident of Kharsyntiew, which is not very far from here. I wish when I was a student, I would have had a program like this. Maybe, who knows, I might be now wearing the very smart uniform that these gentlemen here are wearing. I just want to invite you all to really participate, take advantage of the situation, and I'm very, very grateful and honored to all the localities in this neighboring areas that they have participated through their announcement, and they have actively been involved to bring the people together. Although we have not so many people today as of now, maybe hopefully after they hear the word of mouth, the kind of potential that we have, many people will be joining us very shortly. I will always say this, and I always would like to mention to you that in many countries outside, it is mandatory for every youth after 17 years to join the Army Indian Force, any army force of the country. And now with this new government being installed and with the vision of the Prime Minister, many people are being encouraged to join such a scheme. This will make a boy into a man. This will make a girl into a woman. A person in uniform is always a disciplined person, a smart person, and it will mold your life in the future. Take advantage of the situation. I thank each and everyone who is here. I wish them the best, and I always welcome anybody who wants to come to meet us for any suggestions, for any help, or for anything that we can work together for the betterment of society and for the betterment of tomorrow. Please have a good time. Please feel free and take this time so that it will be something that will be knowledgeable and will always build for you for a bright future. Thank you so much. God bless. Jai Hind.
So my name is Colonel Vikas. I've been posted here since last 2 years. My office is near Pine Walk, and I am Director Recruiting for Meghalaya and 4 districts of Central Assam. So basically my job is to select youth for Indian Army from Meghalaya. I joined the National Defence Academy, that is Army, way back in January 90 at the age of 17, that is at Pune. So 3 years of training at Pune. Thereafter I went to Indian Military Academy at Dehradun for 1 year. So training for about 4 years. Thereafter I got commissioned in 93 December, and my first posting was in J&K near Srinagar, a place called Sapor. So I was there for good about 1 year, served in J&K, and thereafter did many important requirements. The main thing is that once I got the opportunity to go to UN in Africa, that is Ethiopia area. Again for 1 year I was at that place and got the chance to operate with the foreign armies, that is for US, Australia, England, France. So that was a good experience there for 1 year. Then 2010 I commanded my platoon again in J&K, and during 2017-18 when surgical strike took place, I was again at J&K. So that is a brief about me.
So we are proud for our youth from this very locality. So you are well versed. It is a point of time also that we have conducted career guidance counseling along with the SP office and then with some high-ranking officials, civil service official in this very venue. Right from 2012, we want our youth to join the army, to join the civil service. So, Colonel Bante, at that point in time, he was a major, 2017 I think. He was at this stage giving some guidance for the youth. So now this is the second time from the Indian Army that we have Colonel Vikas, who will give you very, very important points. I do hope that you'll get many ideas, and please enroll yourself if you are selected. I would like to request on my behalf, on behalf of the youth, you know the background, the physical and all these things. If some adjustment can be made, if our youth was selected from this area, number one. Number two, during the training, we would like the authorities to show some for a little bit. Actually, our army, there is no need to be soft. We need to be tough, but at least in the training so that they will feel homely. So that is my few suggestions to our colonel and then to all the team here. I wish you the very best.